Welcome back. Now we will see what kind of trend web service is. Original topic selection for this course was made in 2015 by mining text with the same scripts that you will be utilizing in the exercises. In the text mining, me and my colleague Vahid Karusi mined roughly 70,000 software engineering articles. From these articles, we searched for trends by first doing topic modeling, that is, clustering the pieces of text to a certain topic. Then we observed how these topics behave over time. This behavior over time is shown in the figure on the slide. We can see that starting from 1980 and ending until 2015, we have 5 so-called hot topics, which are web, mobile, study, code, and test. In the figure, the hot topics are identified by their most probable word. Reality is of course a bit more complex, and each of these hot topics actually consists of several words, as you can see in the slide. So the hot topic web in the figure is actually web services with the 10 most probable words, as you can see, are web, service, services, applications, composition, semantic, discovery, quality of service, and business process and execution language. Okay, back to the figure. In the figure you can see the topic web or web service with the solid black line. We can see that starting from 1980 until roughly 1998 there is really no increase, as this solid black line is at the bottom of the figure. Starting from 98 there is a rapid increase until 2008 or 2007. After that it stays solid for a while, and then after 2010 there is a slight drop. This trend mining is based on data from Scopus. You will do similar kinds of trend mining, but also using sources Stack Overflow and Twitter in addition to Scopus. More details of this work can be found in the citations shown in the slide. We can also look into Google Trends to see how the searches for the topic web service have been developed. We can actually see that starting from 2004, web service has been on a declining trend. Yet, when we add REST, which is currently the most popular web service implementation protocol, we can see that the searches done on REST have actually been increasing ever since 2004. Another popular web service protocol called SOAP, we can see that interest to this protocol has been declining. So what can we conclude from this figure? I think it is that REST protocol is the trendiest web service protocol at the moment. SOAP, that used to be popular, is declining in interest, and the general searches done on web service also seem to be declining. Another possible source for trend mining are Wikipedia page views. This page shows that web service, the general term, has the least views when compared to SOAP and REST protocols. From the figure we can also see that REST is clearly the most popular. It has the most page views per month for the past year, and also if we look into the number of edits made to the REST page, we can see it's 131, whereas for SOAP and web service we are 44 at 47. Also the number of people making edits is 84 for representational state transfer, while it's only 31 for SOAP and 34 for web service. Okay, so we conclude this video lecture by stating that web services are very popular and that web services based on REST are currently a hot topic or a rising trend. Okay, so we conclude that web services in general are very popular at the moment. We also find that REST is currently the hot topic inside web services. You can learn more about web applications and web services from the courses shown on the slide.